Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Finnish students have only 4 hours of school per day. They focus on shorter but more effective learning periods. There is no such thing as a straight line. Zoom in close enough to anything and you will spot irregularities. Even a laser light beam is slightly curved. The idea of job interviews as we know them today was first popularized in the 1920s. Before that, most people found jobs through personal connection or family businesses. The Japanese sable is omnivorous and many times it follows bear or wolf tracks to eat the leftovers of their diet. Fish ladders help fish migrate past dams by providing small steps or channels, allowing them to move upstream without hindering the dam's function. In the past, all Thai men had to become monks as tradition and culture in Thailand would need Thai men to live as monks at some point of time in their lives. Cats often sleep on surfaces where they blend in, using camouflage to feel safer and more secure due to their instincts as both predators and prey. India celebrates Teachers' Day in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the country's second president, who was born on September 5, 1888. States with maximum number of universities. Elevators are supported by 6 to 8 tension cables, all of which can hold the full load of the elevator on their own. Cuba is the only island in the Caribbean to have a railroad. The average child recognizes over 200 company logos by the time he enters first grade. Hummingbirds are only found in the Americas today. If an interstate route has an odd number, it runs north and south. Even numbers run east and west. Of all the people in history that have reached 65 years of age, half of them are living right now. Caffeinated bees become busier but not more productive. A study found that people born in May have the lowest risk of illness and disease while those born in October have the highest. In Northern Ireland, women earn 3.4% more than men on average. Too much exercise can lead to bad decision making, according to a study published in the journal Current Biology. Teens are much less likely to listen to cooperate with a mother's request if she uses a controlling tone of voice, according to a study conducted by Cardiff University in Wales. Swedish health officials say that toddlers should be banned from using digital media and TV. There is a merino ship named Shrek that escaped his enclosure and evaded shearers for 6 years by hiding in caves. His fleece contained enough wool to make suits for 20 large men. Summer 2023 was likely the hottest in over 100,000 years. Farmed salmon is actually naturally white in color. It's reddish pink only because farmers add in pigmenting compound to the fish's food that changes the color of their flesh, which is more appealing to consumers. 55% of Americans feel they are more intelligent than the average American, but poor people are more likely to think of Americans as smart, and rich people often think the opposite. Tim Sweeney, the creator of Fortnite and CEO of Epic Games, is reported to own approximately 56,000 acres of land in North Carolina. He has been purchasing this land since 2008. The French bread law of 1993 outlines specific rules for the sale of bread in France. Specifically, baguettes cannot be frozen before sale and must be made fresh with no additives. In India, after attending more 100 hearings, a 66-year-old man has won his 22-year-long court case after being overcharged for a train ticket back in 1999. The existential slap is the experience a dying person has when they know at a gut level that death is close. Jemison, the first African American woman in space, also served in the Peace Corps, appeared on Star Trek, is a trained dancer and holds 9 honorary doctorates in science, engineering, and the humanities. The great frigate bird sleeps in 12 seconds bursts while in flight, allowing them to fly non-stop for months at a time. Taking a greyhound across country, you should know that your ticket is good for a whole year, so you can stop off at transfer points, explore, experience the area, and then hop back on another bus. You can reuse any screen printed shirt by simply wiping the logo with 100% acetone. Just dab some on a cotton ball, spread it over the vinyl area, and watch it peel off. Don't use your energy to worry, use your energy to believe. The best fighter is never angry. Be patient, everything comes to you in the right moment. Sometimes you block your own blessings by telling everyone your business. Stop overthinking and quit making up problems that don't exist. Judge nothing, you will be happy. Forgive everything, you will be happier. Love everything, you will be happiest. Thanks for watching.